In a picturesque town nestled by the sea, the enchanting holiday season was in full swing. Among the cheerful crowd, two hearts destined to meet yearned for a love that would warm their souls on even the coldest winter nights. Sophie, a vibrant and kind-hearted woman, ran a charming bakery known for its delectable treats. As she skillfully crafted gingerbread cookies and beautifully decorated cakes, she dreamed of finding her own sweet love story. Meanwhile, Ethan, a talented musician, strummed his guitar by the town's glittering Christmas tree, filling the air with melodies that stirred hearts. Behind his music, he longed for a connection as deep and meaningful as the lyrics he sang. Fate intervened one snowy evening when Sophie's eyes met Ethan's as he played a soulful ballad. The world seemed to pause as their hearts recognized a spark of something special. Encouraged by the magic of the season, they embarked on a journey of love. They shared laughter and stories over steaming cups of hot cocoa at Sophie's bakery. With each passing day, their connection deepened, their hearts intertwining like the strings of Ethan's guitar. They discovered shared passions and dreams, finding solace in each other's arms. As the town shimmered with holiday lights, Sophie and Ethan found themselves caught in a winter wonderland of love. They strolled hand in hand through snow-covered streets, their breath mingling in the crisp air. On Christmas Eve, under a starlit sky, Ethan serenaded Sophie with a heartfelt song he had composed just for her. The melody echoed through the quiet night, capturing the essence of their blossoming romance. Moved to tears, Sophie whispered 3 simple words, "I love you." In that tender moment, their love story reached its peak, filling their hearts with joy and warmth. The holiday season had gifted them with a love that transcended time and place. In the years that followed, Sophie and Ethan continued to celebrate the magic of the holidays, cherishing their shared traditions and creating new ones of their own. They embraced each season with the same sense of wonder and gratitude that had brought them together. Their love became a beacon of hope, inspiring others to believe in the power of love's embrace during the holiday season and beyond. The town's bakery and music filled the air with the sweet melodies of their love, reminding all who witnessed their journey that love, when nurtured with care and tenderness, could truly be the greatest gift of all. And so, Sophie and Ethan's holiday love story continued to unfold, a timeless tale of two hearts entwined in the magic of the season, their love shining brightly for all to see.